Start speaking now. Time is up.
Right now, a group of hikers is walking toward the mountains, led by someone who is cheering them on. First, I think the person in the front is going to shout something, encouraging to the rest of the group. Then they will probably lower their arms and start walking again. The other hikers will likely continue following the path towards the trees at the base of the mountains. The small dog might get excited and start running ahead of everyone. If the group feels tired when they reach the trees, they might decide to take a short break for water. They will probably want to rest in the shade before they continue their journey. Ultimately, the group is going to keep hiking for a while longer. I believe they will enjoy the rest of their lively and adventurous day together in nature.